Hi everyone, Beatrice Bison here from the National Museum of Wildlife Art. Today in this short video called Let's Talk About Art, we have two goals. The first goal is for adults. We hope to give you an easy framework to use to talk to kids about art. Hint, it works with other adults too. And the second goal is for you kids out there. We hope to give you some room to use your imagination and tell us what you think about a very special work of art on view at the National Museum of Wildlife Art. The work of art that we're going to talk about today was painted by a Canadian artist named Robert Bateman in 1997. The title of this artwork is Chief. It's one of those paintings at the museum that visitors remember long after they have left. It really makes an impression, and it features my favorite animal. First, I want us all to look at this artwork for 10 seconds without talking, and afterward I will ask you 3 questions. Try to find as many details as you can. I'll time you. Ready, set, go! Okay, time's up. My first question for you all to ask yourselves is, what do you see? This is a very basic question. What do you see? Describe the painting. What interesting details can you pick out? Visually describe the painting to yourself or anyone else who is with you. The second question is, what is going on in this picture? Or what story is being told? Get creative. It's okay to have different ideas. That's what makes this game fun. There are no right or wrong answers. Lastly, if you didn't mention this already, how does this painting make you feel? What emotions come up, if any? It's okay if you don't feel anything, and it's okay if you feel a lot. We want to hear what you think about Chief by Robert Bateman. Respond to this post on social media with your thoughts and use the hashtags Beatrice and Norm and WildlifeArtJH. Thank you so much for joining me in Let's Talk About Art. And remember, we want to hear your thoughts about the painting Chief by Robert Bateman. You can share your thoughts on social media by responding to this post and use the hashtags Beatrice and Norm or #WildlifeArtJH. We look forward to talking about art next time. Have a great day, and remember to tune in to my friend Norm the Owl's videos as well. He's a hoot!